Hey y'all, this is Greg Offner. Boy, my voice is a little phlegmy today. Do I have the corona? Probably not. What actually happened is that I have not been drinking enough water, and so I have a very special message for you. Drink water. You're an idiot if you don't, because likely you're talking more than you ever have before. And in this virtual world, our voice is very important. How we show up on these calls is very important. And there are two simple things you can do to take care of it. I already told you one, that's drink water. Drink more water than you think you need to. Because you're either talking more or you're drinking more booze. Yeah, that's how some of us cope as we raid the wine cellar, we raid the beer fridge. Drink more water. All right, now, the second thing that you can do for your voice is a quick warm up in the morning. It's really, really simple. It's going to feel stupid, but it is actually really helpful. Before you get on your first call, before you do anything, just simply do a lip trill. This is what it sounds like. And if you really feel comfortable doing that, because some people have a hard time doing lip trills, if you really feel comfortable doing that, you can actually do what's called the rainbow. So think of it as just a pitch glide that goes up and down. And if you have a dog, mine does this, they might actually get freaked out. So you might have some fun with this. You might be able to mess with your pets or your kids or get your kids to do it with you. That could be fun too. So those are two quick vocal health tips from me, Greg Offner. It's good to see you. All right, have a great weekend. Bye, everybody.